Hello, this is LT here with 7citiesmarketing.com. In this video we will share how to make money online with blogs. So let's jump right to it. When you think of the term blog, does it represent money to you? Do you believe that you could make money with this new craze? Well, let it be known that yes, people really are generating more business to their companies and they are making money. When it comes right down to it, blogging can easily enlarge your net authority and increase credibility and market value. Some people even claim that they are only in business because blogging has made it possible for them. They also claim that the business they have gotten has increased significantly as a result of it. The object is to have a niche and to keep everything small. If you are looking for range of view or balance, you will find yourself lost in the shuffle. The general premise of a blog is to sell an idea. Anyone who makes blogs are not merely asking for money because of the blog itself. The ideas are the star of the show and the blog is merely the vessel to transport it to the clients. It is one of the best ways to gain reputation in business networking. This in turn leads to more business and finally to what you have been striving for, which is profit. They are kind of like a tool that you need to transport information in short bursts, as to not confuse or overwhelm the customer. By keeping them short, many business people believe that the original message or core idea remains intact. There is thought amongst the net industry that far more intangible ideas and products are being peddled online these days. This in turn decreases paid content value. Rerouting the connection between the business and the client is the primary goal. One of the best methods to date to generate business and profit is to employ a good blogger. Bloggers have a way of gaining trust. They also can capture the market with the use of strategic reputation. Microsoft is one of the leading employers of the blogging trend, and uses the blogs on all their sites and sales pitches. Microsoft feels that if they have multiple blogs that give small portions of information and tidbits of needed content, they can reach a broader market and keep people informed on what they are doing in the business and any market adjustments that may come your way. If more companies go this route, you could easily see a change in the face of business. Faster communication between client and company, more precise information packets that are not stressing to understand, and an overall cleaner appearance are the goal with the blogging industry. These little vessels of information just may be here to stay. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you are new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation for making money online, click the link below the video. With that, this is LT with 7citiesmarketing.com. See you on the next video. Goodbye.